Hello friends, my name is Ankit Singla as your digital mentor in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start our next topic in crafting great marketing emails in digital marketing season 2. So if you are new to this channel, just subscribe this channel and hit the like button of this video. Watch this video till end. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. If you want any of my previous videos, just go to the playlist and check my previous videos. So, you have signed up for an email marketing service and you are ready to get started on your first campaign. Let's not talk about grabbing your customers' attention with strong subject lines, keeping their attention with concise and relevant content and offering links for more information. Okay, let's say you own a salon. You have been collecting names, emails and genders of both prospective and loyal customers, and now you are ready to launch a first email marketing campaign for your recent customers as well. So, you want to send an email announcement aimed at male and female customers, telling them all about the latest hair services you offer. But in order to get your customers to read your newsletter, you first have to get them to open the email. It's all about making a good first impression here. Think about what customers see when they glance at their inbox. Will your email make them want to open it or to just remain idle? The two things they will see are your business name in the form and the subject line of your email. Be sure to use a name and email address in your from field that clearly identifies your business. People are more likely to open an email from someone they recognize and trust. The subject line of your email can make or break your campaign. An effective subject line will compel people to open it. A poorly composed subject line might mean to your emails gets deleted or trapped in spam filters. Keep your subject line short and simple, ideally under 10 words. Try to capture the most valuable and relevant information contained in the email. When possible, personalize or localize the subject line. For example, Latika, do you wish for longer hair? It's best to avoid words like free, percent off, reminder, and specials, as well as rupee simple and explanation points. These are all known to trigger spam filters. Now you have captured your customers' attention and they have opened your email. Congratulations, that's the half the battle. At this point, keep in mind how busy your customers are and how many other emails they get every day. Even if you have crafted the most intriguing message possible, they will likely just scan it, so keep your content concise and get right to the point of that email actually. Your paragraph should be short, maybe 1 to 3 sentences, and keep them focused on a single idea. You can always link to longer articles and additional information on your website. Make your writing as persuasive and engaging as possible and use the right tone of voice of your audience. You want to have consistency across your brand, but email newsletters offer opportunities to be a bit more casual in tone. Link in your email should include call to action. Encourage recipients to click through to offers on your website. For example, a link could say something like click to here to save 25% on your next appointment, or maybe click here to get a free hair wash with your next haircut. Use bold text and design to highlight important offers and content. There's one last thing you will want to include, and that's some links at the bottom of the email that will allow recipients to unsubscribe, change their email preferences, or update their contact information. Providing an easy way for your users to opt out of your newsletter is not only good customer service, but it's also required by law in many countries. So remember, take the time to craft a short but strong subject line, write concise content with a fun and engaging tone, and include helpful links that will improve your customer experience and possibly lead to increased sales. Each email marketing campaign will teach you a lot about what works and what does not. Over time, you can create better emails for your customers, which in turn can build your business, etc. I know you have a good knowledge of email crafting right now, so thank you very much. I know you have already subscribed it. Just like this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.